Hi everyone, welcome back to WP Solutions. Today I'm gonna show you how you can add WooCommerce in your WordPress website and you can create a store easily. So you have to watch my video complete, and in the end I will show you how you can show products on your front end. So before starting the video, just subscribe my channel and like this video because we need support from you guys so we can create more content for you. So let's start. First we will go to plugins, click on add new. Now you have to search for WooCommerce. You can simply type Woo and they will show you the results. So this is the plugin we are looking for. Click on install now. Now as you can see, our plugin is installed. I will activate the plugin. Then we will do some basic settings. Now first you have to add your address like this. You can add anything. You have to select your country. You can search like this, and then you just have to uncheck this or check this according to your needs. If you want to receive updates from MailChimp, you can simply check this one. I will continue. Now you have to click on no thanks. Now you have to select the industry in which field you are working. So I will go with electronics and computers. Now you have to select the product type. If you have a physical product, then you have to select this one. Otherwise you have to select from these available options. Click on continue. Now you have to select the products. I don't have any product yet. If you have 1 to 10, you can select this one. If you want to select this one, so you can select. So I will go with this one. If you are this information is not necessary, but if you want to select the options, you can select. Like I am not selling on any other platform, I will go with this one. Sorry, with this one. And if you are setting up a store for a client, you can select this option. Click on continue. Uncheck this option. This is for more features like this. So for now we will not check this option. Click on continue. Now you have to select a theme we have already installed, and if you didn't install your theme, you can select the theme from these available options. They will show you the paid, free, and also the installed theme on your system. So I will go with this one. So our WooCommerce is integrated successfully, and now I will show you how you can show the products on any page. By default it will create a shop page on your website. I will show you, and these are the further settings. You can complete the settings according to your needs, and I will show you the front end now. Because we just installed a theme, we didn't imported anything, so it will not show the content. So this is the shop page which WooCommerce created in your WordPress website. This is cart, checkout, and all the pages the WooCommerce created. So if you want to show the products on home page or any other page, you just simply have to edit the page, and then you have to select the WooCommerce section. So if you are using Elementor Pro, it's super easy for you to show products on any section. You can customize them easily and with any other page builder. If you are not using any page builder, you can simply display the products with the WordPress editor. Like I want to show on this page, I will click edit, then simply you have to click on this plus icon, search for products. So these are the available options you can use. You can select all products, you can show by category, and you can check the options according to your need. I will go with all products. So you will see all products will go here. For now we don't have any product, so you can add products easily. I will update. So as you can see, you haven't published any products to list here yet. So you can add the products in the backend easily. You can import the whole file you have. So I will show you the section where you can add products. You have to go to this option, click on all products if you have products. Otherwise, if you want to add new, you can click on add new. If you want to add category, you have to select this option. So here you can add a product easily. So this is the simplest way of adding WooCommerce in your WordPress website. So if you have any query, you can ask me in comments. If you want me to solve your problem, you can ask me in comments. I will help you out, and you will see my email in my YouTube account. You can send me an email for more queries. So if you want me to create a video on any other plugin, you can ask me in comments. So I will create more videos on plugins that are related to the WooCommerce and that works with WooCommerce, like related products, cross sells, upsells, and the sliders, product sliders. So we will use all these plugins with this WooCommerce. So for adding product, you have to add the product name. You can add description here. You can add inventory in this option, shipping, general, more settings you will see here. So thanks for watching this video. Like this video and subscribe my channel.